Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will going to take one live trade and will explain you in detail so that you can learn as well as apply it in your live trading sessions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart. It is Euro US dollar chart, and currently market is moving in the upward direction very strongly. So let's wait for some trading opportunity and then we will place our trade. Let me see different charts so that we do not miss any opportunity. Okay. Market is consolidated here, so it's a good chart for us to take a breakout. And okay. So let's go with Euro US dollar and let me draw some levels here. We have this zone. Okay, so market is moving in between this box, and what I'm waiting for a breakout actually. And so let's wait how the market will react to these levels. Okay. No, I will not take it as a breakout here. I will include the wick also. Okay. Let me draw an area here also. So we have this whole area, and let me change the color. So now we have an area. You can see this is an area where market is like resting, so we can say it is a consolidation phase, and what we need here is a breakout in either direction, and then we will place our trade. And I will explain you why I took this trade. As you can see, market is moving in the upward direction. It's a clear uptrend, so in most cases we will try to take a trade in the direction of the trend because the trend is our friend. So let's wait for the breakout with a good volume and strong candlestick pattern. Then only we will place our trade, because these are the confirmation that gives the clear indication that market will continue to go in a particular direction. So let's wait. You can see market is moving very slowly in this box, which is a good sign, because now buyers and sellers are resting. In the coming time, they will decide which way the market will go. So let's wait and watch. We will going to take 5-minute trading, because whenever there is a breakout, I always try to take a 5-minute trade. We are analyzing 1-minute candlestick here. It means that each candlestick is formed in 1 minute, and you can increase or decrease your trading time from this place. You can see. So you can see market is moving in. Market is still moving in the box. Let's wait. Look at the volume here. You can see it's not that strong. That's why market is not able not able to broke this level. Let's wait. Because of this strong uptrend, you can see the wicks down here. These are the pressures created by the buyers. This resistance level is hindering the path of the market, and these wicks are showing that buyers are still trying to break this resistance level. Let's wait. As you can see, market again goes up from that very particular support level because it's a buyer's market. The volume, you can see it's very strong and good. So we will wait until there is a breakout, because a breakout will confirm us a trading opportunity. Let me see if we have another opportunity. Okay, still market is moving in a box in this chart also, and I'm not very sure about this because no. Okay, so we will stick with this chart and we'll take a trade of a breakout in this setup only. So let's wait, because patience is the key. The volume is very low here. You can see market is not moving at all. Just waiting for a good volume, and in either direction we will going to place our trade, because if we get a breakout in the downward direction, it will be a retracement phase, and market will continue to go in the downward direction. And if there is a breakout in the upward direction, the market will continue to go in its trend without retracing for some time. Okay, it will going to take some time, so I will update you once it broke the level. So till then, just wait patiently. So as you can see, market is breaking its level, so let's wait. Okay, I want a clear breakout here, then only we will going to place our trade. So let's wait. Okay, market reverses back and closes in between, so it's not a clear breakout, so we will not going to place our trade in this condition, and we'll wait, because now I can see the volume in the candlestick. You can see the volume is good now. Okay, so let's wait for a trading opportunity, and okay, I want a clear breakout. This wick is a good sign of selling pressure. It's because of this support zone that market is not able to break it. Let's wait. Okay. It's still not a breakout. We will wait. Patience is the key here. You mean it's very important to be patient when you are trading, because until and unless your rules are fulfilled, you are not going to take a trade, because this is not about guessing. It's about the strategy. The strategy needs to be followed properly. Okay, as you can see, this is our breakout candlestick. I will wait for this candle to close to confirm that this is actually a breakout or not. So let's wait, and we will take a 5-minute trade. As you can see, I have selected the time, and I will wait for this candle to close. And okay, nope, it is returning back, which is not what I'm expecting. Okay, it is still not a breakout. I will not take it as a breakout. I will wait for the next candle again. These wick, you can see, it's a good indication that market wants to go in the downward direction, but I need a clear breakout. As you can see, this candle will confirm us if it closes below the level. So I'm hoping for the best, and I'm waiting. It's a clear candle now. You can see it's a Marubozu in the current situation. So let's wait. Okay, so it's a clear breakout, and I have placed my trade for the next 5 minutes. So let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you the complete setup, the strategy, why I took this trade in the downward direction. So let's wait. So we have lost this trade, and the reason is simple, because market got supported by this level. You can see this is a support zone, previous support zone. But let me explain you why I took this trade, because I have to tell you the reason. So it was simple. Market was moving in the upward direction. The market struck in a box. This is the box, you can see. Market was moving inside this box. It means that market was in a consolidation phase, and whenever there is a consolidation, the breakout makes the market to move in a particular direction. What I found here is a good breakout with a strong candlestick pattern. The volume was also very good. The candlestick pattern was also trustworthy, and this was a clear breakout, and that's why I took this trade. But market got supported from this previous level, and it goes up to this resistance level, and that's why I took this trade, and we lost the trade because of a previous support level. So never mind, this is part of the game, and we have to accept our losses. The second reason might be because the market was moving very strongly in the upward direction, and I took the trade in the opposite direction, but my rules were fulfilled, and that's why I took that trade. But irrespective of the results, I will stick with my strategy. So do you, because you can't trade randomly. You have to stick to your strategy, no matter if you are losing or winning. So this is it for today, and if you find value in this video, make sure you like this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.